Good morning.
Good morning.
I wonder if you could help me.
I'll try my best.
I'm looking for a man named Mitchell Brenner.
Yeah.
Do you know him?
Yeah.
Where does he live?
Right here, Bodega Bay.
Oh, yes, I know, but where?
Right across the bay there.
Where?
Now, see where I'm pointing?
Yes.
See them two big trees across there?
You mean on the other side of the bay? Yes.
And the White House?
Yes.
That's where the Brenners live.
The Brenners, Mr. and Mrs. Brenner?
No, just Lydia and the two kids.
The two kids?
Yeah, Mitch and the little girl.
Oh, I see. How do I get down there?
Well, you follow the road around the bay, and that'll take you right to their front door.
The front door. Is there a back road I can take?
No, that's the only road.
You see, I want to surprise them.
Oh?
I don't want them to see me arrive.
Oh.
It's a surprise, you see.
Well, you could get yourself a boat and cut right across the bay to their dock.
Where would I get a boat?
Down by the Tides restaurant. Should you ever handle an outboard boat?
Oh, of course.
Want me to order one for you?
Well, thank you.
What name?
Daniels.
Okay.
I wonder if you could tell me
Hey, just hold it a minute, please.
the little girl's name.
Little Brenner girl?
Yes.
Alice, I think. Harry, what's the little Brenner girl's name?
Lois?
Alice, ain't it?
No, it's Lois.
It's Alice.
Why, are you sure?
Well, I'm not positive if that's what you mean.
Well, I need her exact name, you see.
Oh, just hold on one more minute, please. In that case, I'll tell you what you do. You go straight through town till you see a little hotel on your left. Then you turn right there. Now, you got that?
Yes.
Near the top of the hill, you'll see the school, and just beyond a little house with a red mailbox. That's where Annie Hayworth, the school teacher, lives. You ask her about the little Brenner girl.
Well, thank you.
Save yourself a lot of trouble. Name's Alice, for sure.
Can I have the boat in about 20 minutes? How much for the phone calls?
Oh, it's nothing.
Thank you.